Welcome back to the Daily Crypto Report, the channel where we break down the biggest stories in crypto, tech, and finance. Today, we're diving deep into Ethereum, the blockchain that has revolutionized the cryptocurrency space and is second only to Bitcoin in market value and influence. We'll cover what Ethereum is, how it started, the visionaries behind it, and how it's different from Bitcoin. We'll also explain ERC tokens, Ethereum's unique features, and why it's become the backbone of so many crypto projects. So grab a coffee and let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Ethereum? Ethereum is an open-source blockchain platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications, commonly known as dApps. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily a digital currency, Ethereum is more like a global, decentralized computer. Ethereum's blockchain supports smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements where the terms are directly written into code. This feature eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks or lawyers and is the foundation for thousands of applications, from decentralized finance, DeFi, to gaming and NFTs. Its native cryptocurrency is called Ether, often abbreviated as ETH. While people often call it Ethereum, technically, Ethereum refers to the blockchain, while Ether is the digital currency that powers it. Ethereum's journey began in late 2013 when a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin published the Ethereum white paper. Vitalik envisioned a blockchain platform that could do much more than Bitcoin's simple peer-to-peer transactions. He wanted a blockchain that could run code, essentially making it programmable. The idea quickly gained traction, and in 2014, Vitalik, along with co-founders Gavin Wood, Joseph Lubin, Anthony Di Iorio, Charles Hoskinson, and Mihai Alisi, officially started the Ethereum project. To fund the development, Ethereum held a crowdfunding campaign in mid-2014, raising over 31,000 Bitcoin, worth about $18 million at the time. This marked one of the first successful initial coin offerings, ICOs, and set the stage for Ethereum's launch in 2015. The first version of Ethereum, known as Frontier, went live on July 30th, 2015. Since then, the platform has undergone numerous upgrades to improve its scalability, security, and functionality. Now let's talk about Ethereum's founders. Vitalik Buterin is the most recognizable face of Ethereum. Born in Russia and raised in Canada, he's a programming prodigy who won several math and science competitions in his youth. Vitalik remains deeply involved in Ethereum's development and serves as its public spokesperson. Gavin Wood is another key figure. He created Ethereum's programming language, Solidity, and played a major role in its technical foundation. Today, Gavin focuses on Polkadot, a blockchain platform he co-founded to improve interoperability between blockchains. Joseph Lubin went on to found Consensus, a company that builds infrastructure and applications for Ethereum. Consensus is behind many of the tools developers use to interact with the Ethereum blockchain, including MetaMask. Charles Hoskinson, another co-founder, left Ethereum early on due to disagreements over its direction. He went on to create Cardano, a competing blockchain platform. Anthony Di Iorio and Mihai Alisi have taken on various entrepreneurial and philanthropic roles, but their influence on Ethereum's early days remains significant. One of Ethereum's standout features is its support for ERC tokens. ERC stands for Ethereum Request for Comment, and these tokens are standardized formats for creating digital assets on the Ethereum blockchain. The most well-known standard is ERC20, which is used for fungible tokens like stablecoins, USDT, USDC, and many ICO projects. Another popular standard is ERC 721, which powers non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These tokens have enabled a wide range of use cases, from decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, to gaming and digital collectibles. Without ERC tokens, the entire NFT craze and DeFi ecosystem as we know it wouldn't exist. Ethereum and Bitcoin are often compared, but they serve different purposes. Bitcoin was designed as a decentralized digital currency, a store of value and medium of exchange. Its blockchain is relatively simple, focusing solely on transactions. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a decentralized platform for running smart contracts. It's like comparing a calculator to a smartphone. While Bitcoin is highly secure and optimized for financial transactions, Ethereum is flexible and can handle complex operations beyond payments. Another major difference is their consensus mechanisms. Bitcoin uses proof of work, POW, which relies on energy-intensive mining. Ethereum started with POW, but transitioned to proof of stake, POS, in 2022 with the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. POS is more energy efficient and allows ETH holders to participate in securing the network by staking their tokens. So why is Ethereum the second most popular cryptocurrency? The short answer is its versatility. Ethereum's ability to run smart contracts has made it the go-to platform for developers and innovators in the crypto space. DeFi platforms like Uniswap and Aave, NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, and blockchain-based games like Axie Infinity all rely on Ethereum. This widespread adoption has created a thriving ecosystem with millions of users and billions of dollars locked in its protocols. Moreover, Ethereum has strong network effects. The more developers and users it attracts, the more valuable it becomes. Its recent transition to proof of stake has also reduced its environmental impact, making it more appealing to eco-conscious investors. That said, Ethereum isn't without challenges. Scalability has been a long-standing issue, with high gas fees often pricing out smaller users. However, upgrades like sharding and Layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum aim to address these problems. Competition is another factor. Platforms like Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and Cardano are vying for market share, offering faster and cheaper alternatives. But Ethereum's first-mover advantage and robust developer community give it a significant edge. Ethereum is much more than a cryptocurrency. It's a platform that's reshaping industries and enabling a decentralized future. Its journey from a white paper to the backbone of the crypto ecosystem is a testament to the vision of its founders and the creativity of its community. Whether you're an investor, a developer, or just curious about blockchain technology, Ethereum is a name you need to know. Its impact on finance, art, and technology is only growing, and its story is far from over. That's it for today's deep dive into Ethereum. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions about Ethereum or blockchain? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.